What's up everybody, it's your boy Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy. Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. आज हमारे पास है Nike Cortez. So we're going to be using our Ultimate Kit. So let's keep the right shoe for the reference. And let's start by taking off the laces. We will use the Shape It now. And our Ultimate Kit comes with these 3 different brushes, 1 microfiber towel, and the Magic Potion solution. We will be using our bowl. This is very useful when you're cleaning the shoe. Only 3 squirts of this bottle. That's it. So before we dip the brush, हम इससे पहले इसको dry clean करते हैं थोड़ा सा. Alright, first go में ही जो आगे fungus थी, that is pretty much cleaned up. Now let's work on the tongue as well. Okay, there is this part which is there at the back. Let's try to rub it a little more firmly. Is it gone? Yes. You can see it's pretty clean. Now it's time to get down to the mids. We will use the medium brush. Wipe it down. Let's work our way to the bottoms. There you go, guys. Our left pair is done. The left shoe is all nicely done. I can show you the difference. Let these laces and the shoe dry for a bit and work on the right shoe. Wipe it, wipe it. You can see it's pretty clean. There you go. Yes, before finishing the video, let's put the coat on it so that whosoever is wearing the shoe stays protected as well. Shake it well before the use. Yeah, put down. We will be doing another coat as well, just to be sure. And let us know, what do you think? How clean do they look? I enjoyed cleaning these shoes. Till then, stay tight, stay clean, stay protected, just like these coated shoes. And let's go.